sort. But it is what it is, I guess. So the last thing that I was trying to refer to here is that with the four-sided shape, right? Normally when they work with four-sided shapes, they'll have like different angles in different places. They'll have like a beta there. And then if they want to be extra, they'll put like, let's say, a line in here somewhere. Oh, yeah,
Because why not?
Yeah, because why not, Because why not? Because they have all the ink in the world. They can put lines, angles, triangles, all of the above. So with the shape,
ones that when like the line goes outside, it's like you at the man.
yeah, but with shapes like this, I mean, yeah, they'll usually behave themselves. So whatever they'll ask here, they'll usually give you a lot of information to work with. Maybe like the equations of the lines and everything. So with a shape like this, you can imagine how most of all this now comes to the party. They can ask you distance between lines. They can ask for the midpoint. They can ask for an angle. They can ask for maybe a specific area of a triangle. But then later on, with the area of a triangle, there's like there's another method, right? Because with the area of a triangle, there's the half base times height method, triangle. But then the other method is what this triangle of area of triangle. The area of the triangle, you also have this formula. It's like half a times b multiplied by sine c. This is if you maybe have like an angle inside the triangle and you have two sides of the triangle. I'm just making like a rough idea here. So for example, let's say they gave you this as like 94, you see, and then you're given this line here and this line also. You would be able to use this formula because this formula requires you to have an angle, which is going to be, let's say, angle C here, and then a side, and then another side in this format, you see. And then you'd be able to throw the information you have into the formula, you see. So if this is like a 3, a 2, and then this is like whatever angle it is, you can just throw them into the formula and you'll have the area of the triangle. So that's where the different questions they can ask you come into play. Because in the previous questions for a scenario like this, maybe they would have at some point in time given you the opportunity to like get the distance of maybe like AB here and then BC also. And then maybe at some point they gave you the opportunity to get this angle here. Some way, somehow, maybe even they would have given this one because this one is a bit in an odd spot, you see. So things like that. That's basically how analytical geometry works, you see. It's just angles, lines, and triangles, and four-sided shapes, obviously. Do you see it?
I see it. Unfortunately, I see it.
Yeah. So the one thing that I can then now let me actually stop this one because I think this one is done. So on like a slightly more